Let's go step by step to clearly understand when to use the and when not to use it, with explanations and examples. What is the? The is called a definite article. It is used when we are talking about a specific person, place, or thing, something both the speaker and listener know or can identify. इसका प्रयोग तब किया जाता है जब हम किसी विशिष्ट व्यक्ति, स्थान या वस्तु के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, जिसे वक्ता और श्रोता दोनों जानते हों या पहचान सकते हों. When to use the, when the thing is specific or already known. If both people know what you are talking about, use the. यदि दोनों लोग जानते हैं कि आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो इसका प्रयोग करें. Examples: I saw the movie you recommended. The listener knows which movie. श्रोता जानता है कि कौन सी फिल्म है. Please close the door. Both know which door. दोनों जानते हैं कि कौन सा दरवाजा है. When there is only one of something, use the. When there's only one such thing in the world or in that situation. जब किसी चीज का केवल एक ही रूप हो, तो the का प्रयोग तब करें जब दुनिया में या उस स्थिति में ऐसी केवल एक ही चीज हो. Examples: The sun rises in the east. The moon looks bright tonight. The Prime Minister gave a speech. There's only one sun, one moon, one Prime Minister of a country. When the noun is followed by something that specifies it. If we describe the noun with a phrase or clause that makes it clear which one we mean, we use the. यदि हम संज्ञा का वर्णन किसी वाक्यांश या खंड से करते हैं जिससे ये स्पष्ट हो जाता है कि हमारा तात्पर्य किससे है, तो हम the का प्रयोग करते हैं. Examples: The book on the table is mine. Which book? The one on the table. The man wearing a red hat is my uncle. Specific man. With superlatives and ordinal numbers, use the before words like best, first, only, tallest, oldest, etc. Examples: She is the best dancer in the group. He was the first person to arrive. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. With unique places, rivers, mountains, seas, or groups of islands. We often use the with oceans and seas, rivers. Mountain ranges, not single mountains, countries with plural names or of phrases. Groups of islands. Examples: The Ganges flows into the Bay of Bengal. The Himalayas are covered with snow. The United States is a large country. The Andaman Islands are beautiful. When not to use the. When talking generally, not specific, we don't use the when speaking about things in general. Examples: The books are useful. Wrong. Books are useful. Right. All books in general. I like the music. Wrong. I like music. Right. Music in general. With uncountable or plural nouns when speaking generally. If we mean all or any of something, no article is needed. Examples: Water is important for life. All water, in general. Teachers are respected in society. Teachers in general. But the teachers in our school are very kind. Specific group of teachers. Before names of people, cities, or countries, usually we don't use the before. People's names, cities and towns, most countries. Examples: I met Ravi yesterday. Not the Ravi. We live in Delhi. She visited India last year. But we use the when the country name includes words like kingdom, republic, states, etc. The United Kingdom, the United States, the Republic of Korea. Quick tip: think like this. If it's something specific or known, use the. If it's something general or unknown, no article. Please like and subscribe.